Good morning and welcome back to Night Science Lab. Today we're going to do a quick demonstration on how you can build a simple vacuum out of a reclaimed air conditioning unit. Now when you tear an air conditioning unit apart, what you're going to see inside is this black cylinder, and this is your compressor pump. Now what you're going to do, you're going to unhook the wires carefully. I want you to carefully cut the copper coils. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. If you can, reclaim the air conditioning that's going to come out of here. You don't want to breathe this. If you have to do it outside, don't tell anybody because it's not right. What I did with mine, I ran mine into an old tank. But you don't want to breathe it and give it time to evacuate. Once you have it completely emptied out, you can go ahead. You're going to remove the 3 bolts at the bottom, cut the wires, and pull it out. You're going to need to save the capacitor unit. As you can see, it's color-coded wire. Try to leave the wiring the way it is for the top and the bottom. I saved the plug from the air conditioning unit because it has a GFI built into it. And when you look at your capacitor, you're going to see 3 wires all you're going to need. Your one wire is your hot wire coming in. It's going to go on one side of the terminal with 4 connections. The other side of that's going to come out up into your compressor. And the blue wire coming off this side also goes to your tank. That's really all you need. Now there are 3 wires at the top of this side and one from this side to this side. The 2 wires on here are the ones you're going to concern yourself about. You can get them reversed, so be careful. You should be able to tell by the sound whether you have it right or wrong. This right here tube is with the tube where your air is going to escape from the vacuum system, and this one here is your vacuum. And as you can see, when you turn it on out here, you do get pretty good suction out of here. I do have this little unit here from a previous build. We'll put a tube on there, and if you can see, let's see if we can get this. I don't know if you can see that gauge going up, but you do get quite a bit of vacuum out of this thing. There you go. That's not really even sealed, that's just simply held on there. On a previous build, I did another one similar to this. I installed a small fan trying to help keep the unit cool, and a switch to turn it on and off. This one here has the switch on the plug, so I'll probably leave it like that for now. Now you can take 2 of these vacuums if you're not getting what you want to get and hook them in series. What you're going to do, you're going to run this output line here to the input line on your secondary pump. Make sure they're tight and sealed. Turn them on at both times or it'll blow the pipe off, blow your tube off this one here. Don't use real soft, flexible tubing because it will compress in as the vacuum goes. This here is a rather stiff plastic. I haven't had any trouble with it. Hopefully, maybe later today or tomorrow, I'll set up a couple experiments and show you what you can do with this vacuum. And stay tuned for more shows, and subscribe if you would like, and I hope to see you again.